YouTube, when did we start burping again? It's time to start burping again, guys. Yeah, I hope you like my burping still. That's what I'm about to do. I'm getting a lot of weird texts lately. Someone's calling me. Put it on speaker. Oh no. Oh god damn it. Oh, I didn't mean for that to happen. Oh no. No. Oh man, it's all wet. Ah, shit. I gotta change my pants or... Guys, give me a sec. I gotta change my pants. Damn it. Burping. Okay, I'm good. I don't want to die, though. Okay, time to get to burping. Hello, and to my friend out there, hello, baby hero. Okay, so that... Well, I was doing pretty good there. Despite the fact that I haven't burped for a very long time. I've been doing pretty good. Time to burp our ABCs. No, just kidding. I can't burp my ABCs. I suck at that. I'll prove it to you. A, B, C. See, I can do it. I can do them. But, other than that, time to get serious. Now I'm going to try to do the loudest burps I can do. Nope, that was a fail. For Sparta! Tonight, we dine in hell! Okay. Surprise, motherfucker. That one failed. Let's try not to use some bad language here. Okay. Now a big one. Okay, that was loud, but not loud enough. Everybody count to 3, starting now. Just kidding. Okay, my bottle's about here. But, so it's about here when it's full. Chug time. It's gone. Give that a sec. Yeah. Rub my tummy. Okay, yeah, I really need to stop being weird. Don't know why I'm being weird. These last 2 videos. Last time and this time have been very weird. Probably shouldn't have chugged that. I think I just went this video. I think I'm gonna get sick. Okay, never mind. I'm good. Oh god damn it! No! Get away from me! Oh god damn it! Oh, that stinks! Oh god, no. That's enough for this video. So I'm sorry there wasn't that much burping. I would have done more if I hadn't spilt that all over my pants, but I'm about out of my time limit on this. So peace out. This was Lucas Bentley, and don't worry, next video I'm going to do will be basically all burping. I'm sorry about this, okay? It's not my fault. So I would like to say thank you for watching. Peace out. Click that like button down there and subscribe if you want to see a lot more of my videos, such as chugging and burping. And I even play a few games using my iPad taping. It looks horrible, but I can still see what's going on. It's the best I can do for now. I'm still working on getting a laptop. So this was Lucas Bentley. Peace out and goodbye. If you want to learn how to do that, just leave me some comments. Or this. I can do that a lot. And I can do this. Peace out.